Want to master forms in SwiftUI with real-time data observation and seamless validation? In this complete tutorial, I'll show you how to create a professional dynamic form that responds to user inputs. Let's get started and take your iOS apps to the next level. So this is the app we will create. It enables the user to enter their username. And as I enter my username, you can see the progression within this bar. Enter my email address. Password. Gender. Hobbies. And also we can select a photo, but that's optional. And then we can submit the form. Xcode is a little bit slow again. So this is the application feature that we will create. In this tutorial, we will add the profile photo B-stack so the selected photo can be displayed. After lines 58, type in the following: divider if let image data form.image data let UI image equals UI image data image data. Line 61, we're doing safe unwrapping, so if the image is valid, then the image will be displayed within the B-stack. So the next thing we need to do is to create the B-stack, add a text element. The caption of the text element is called profile photo. We can add a bit of a font weight so it looks a bit nicer. Dot bold for the font weight. And now we add the actual image that we want to be displayed, UI image. Scale to fit. Now that should be resizable first. Resizable dot scaled to fit. The next thing we need to do is to add the image height. For that we use a frame. So the image will be no higher than 200 pixels. A clip shape, style, which is circular. So the image is displayed in a circle. And an overlay. with a bit of a stroke and colour, which is white, with a line width of 4. And then we just add a little bit of a shadow with a radius of 10. Add padding. And then we need to add some padding of the lines 76, 78. That's incorrect. The padding should be on line 79, not 78. So add it here. Because the padding needs to be added inside the group. And then we add a bit of a corner radius. Make it 10. To make the corners of the group a bit rounded. And then we add some more padding. To add padding around the V stack. And background color, which is white. Corner radius, which is 10. And the purpose of that line, 86, is to add a shadow with a radius of 10 pixels to the V stack. And some more padding, which is additional padding for the V stack. And then we just need to add our navigation title. The caption is called Form Details. Navigation bar. Title, display mode, inline. Now just compile it. It's compiled. In the next tutorial, we will add the multi-select drop-down view. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.